Your car guy. Today we're going to upgrade the lights on this 2008 Toyota Sienna. And let's be honest, the old halogen bulbs, they work, and they work fine. I mean, you see we've got good light there, and you can see it up against the garage wall. But we're going to upgrade these with Auxito LED lights. Now you might get out there and see some of these newer vehicles running around with LED headlights and think, wow, I really want some of those. And maybe think that you're gonna have to buy a newer vehicle, but you don't really have to. You can get these LED bulbs that are a direct replacement, easy to drop in, and these have a 50,000 hour life expectancy, which will be way longer than you're gonna own the vehicle. It's gonna last forever, and they work fantastically well. But you're gonna see, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison of the halogens, which don't look too bad compared to the LEDs. So let's get started. So the driver's side is the side that's the tightest to get to, but we can see our high beam bulb is right here, back behind this severely corroded battery. We'll take care of that on another time. And then our low beam bulb is right behind this fuse relay box. Not terrible to get to, but if we take the lid off this fuse box, it'll give us a little bit more room. So there's just this little front tab here, and we can lift that lid up out of our way. And that's gonna give us a little more room to reach in here. Now, I can simply turn the bulb, and it's gonna be what would be counterclockwise if I was facing the bulb, but I'm gonna turn it towards the driver's side of the vehicle. Here I have my bulb out, and then you'll see there's this little press tab right here with my thumb. You'll press that and then slide the bulb up out of the socket there. Now I'm going to show you what comes in this Auxito headlight pack, and this is the 9006 or HB4. We've got some nice white gloves so that we don't get any of our oil from our hands on the lights. We've got some zip ties, some extra seals if necessary for the headlights. We have our instruction manual, and then you'll see that our lights have a built-in inverter that's going to plug directly into the original outlet, and we'll zip tie this inverter up. But the headlight itself is just going to go in directly. We'll see it's got the built-in cooling fan here at the back. That'll help keep these cool, and this is going to produce just gobs more light than our previous bulbs did. And it's just going to plug right in where the old bulb came out, and we'll put it together. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this pigtail back into that socket, then I'm going to insert the light. You can see that the pigtail plugged right into the original socket with no modifications necessary. Next, we'll take the light and we'll get it down into the opening there. We'll line it up, press it in, and then we're gonna turn it. And I don't even know that it's a quarter of a turn. It's more like an eighth of a turn clockwise. Again, if you were facing forward, it'd be clockwise. And that bulb is locked right back into place. Now, I am going to come back and just zip tie up that extra cabling so it doesn't rattle around and rub and cause a short. But before we do that, we'll go ahead and do the high beam on this side, which again is right here. And you'll see I can reach in, also just turn it that quarter to eighth of a turn, pull it out. We're going to press my tab down here and unplug the bulb. Our high beam is slightly different. This is a 9005 HB3, very similar, but we'll do the same exact thing. We're gonna plug it right back into that socket and then stick it in. When we stick this in, we'll simply get it lined back up and then turn it to lock it into place. And that's it. Look how easy it was. Now we can light these up and show the difference between the Auxito headlights and the factory halogen headlights. Now I'm gonna start from back here. First of all, look at, this is our halogen or our LED headlight, our Auxito light versus our halogen. Just look at the beam pattern difference. The beam is full and it's lighting up the entire area versus a very small area with the halogen headlight. And oh my goodness, look at that difference. That's just the low beam on. We'll pop on the high beams and show you what it's like. Yeah, high beams and low beams versus just the low beams. Look at how bright that is. And I mean, these aren't bad halogens, they're fine. But oh my goodness, what a difference. So we replaced the driver's side, and that really wasn't difficult at all. Don't forget to put your fuse panel cover back on. It's just gonna simply go and snap back into place and we'll be fine. Now the passenger side is much easier because you'll see there's nothing in the way of either our headlights. It kind of looks like that washer bottle is, but it's really not. I mean, we are wide open. Can reach in here and make that about 1/8 of a turn to get our headlights out and just pull out our headlight bulb. Super easy. So we followed the exact same process on the high and low beam here. We've installed our new Auxito LED headlight with the high beam. Let me get you a view. We're gonna just sit here, turn it about 1/8 of a turn and pull the light out. Then we'll press the tab right here in the back to release the light and pull the light away from the socket. And now we have headlights. This is fantastic. And really, this is gonna take you 5 minutes to do this upgrade on your Toyota Sienna, and you're gonna have lights that are gonna rival anything on any new car out there. Absolutely fantastic. Your car is gonna be safer. You're gonna see better at night in the rain or whatever you're dealing with. I highly recommend this upgrade. So the final step we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of these zip ties and we're gonna tie up this so it's just not flopping around. And we can just simply zip tie it up to this other wiring here. We're gonna do it for each light just to keep this from bouncing around as you're driving down the road. We'll get those zip tied up and we'll be good to go. And that's it. This is one of the easiest and least expensive upgrades you can do to your vehicle to make it safer, make you feel better when you're driving at night. Don't forget to like and share the video, please. I'll leave a link with the to Auxito's website on my description for the video. And I'll also have a coupon code where you can get some money off if you use my coupon. So please like and share the videos and subscribe to the channel.